We've done a lot of remodeling on laundromats and helping people. What we are seeing in today's market is our customers are demanding larger and larger and larger machines. They will line up and wait to use an 80-pound washer, 100-pound, 135-pound. When I say that, that's how many pounds of clothes you can put in them. So 80 pounds, if you can imagine, I can't even imagine how many baskets that is, right? But customers, that's what they are demanding from the laundromat. So being able to put in bigger and larger type machines, being able to put with that, let's say automated soap injection with them as well. So you can put in, the Tide and the Downy or whatever your product is, make it smell fresh and have it automatically inject the correct amounts. Those are all features that customers are looking for. Having touchscreen type controls, all those things, you do that. Maybe you can't do it all in one fell swoop, but we are going to do it. We'll put a plan in place. Okay, this is year 1, year 2, and year 3, making those investments. And what we see is these larger front-loading machines, the revenue and the profitability per, I'll call it square foot of your laundromat, goes way up because it doesn't use that much more water and energy to run an 80 or 100-pound washer as it does a 40-pound washer. And so the profitability will help generate the next cycle of investments.